Hi, this is Polygon Teachers and I am Sagorika Banerjee. Once again, I am back with another topic of English grammar. Today, I am going to teach you relations expressed by prepositions. So stay tuned to my channel, #Polygon Teachers, and watch the video till the end. So before I begin my today's topic, let me just share the screen with you all. So as I said that today I will be taking the topic that is relations expressed by prepositions. So let's see what is there in this video. There are certain sentences. Following are some of the most common relations indicated by prepositions. Let's see what type of relations indicated by prepositions. So first one is place. So when we talk about place, went about the world, ran across the road, leaned against a wall, fell among thieves, quarreled among themselves, at death's door, sick on deck, stood before the door, stood behind the curtain, then lies below the surface, sat beside me, flies between Mumbai and Alibag, stand by me, rain comes from the clouds, in the sky, fell into a ditch, then lies near his herd. Kolkata is on the Hooghly, the cliffs hangs over the sea, tour round the world, marched through the town, came to the end of the road, put pen to paper, travelled towards Nasik, lay under the table, climbed up the ladder, lies upon the table, within the house. So all these phrases denote the relations, that is place. Now next we are going to do about time. After his death, at an early date, arrived before me, behind time, by 3 o'clock, for many years, during the whole day, from 1st April, then in the afternoon, sat watching far on into the night, lived under the Mughals on Monday, then pending his return, since yesterday, lasted through the night, throughout the year, wait till tomorrow, 10 minutes to 12, towards evening, until his arrival, rise with the sun, within a month. So all these phrases denote the time, the relations showing time. Next comes agency. By what, by which thing it is done. So agency instrumentally as sell goods at auction, sent the parcel by post, was stunned by the blow, was destroyed by fire, heard this through a friend, cut it with a knife. Next comes manner, how. Dying by inches, fought with courage, worked with earnestness, won with ease. Another one is cause, reason, purpose. As labored for the good of money, died of fever, the very place for a picnic, did it for our good, suffers from gout, died from fatigue, does it from perversity, then retreated through fear of an ambush, then concealed it through shame, lost his purse through negligence, shivers with fever, took medicine for cold. All these denote the cause, the purpose. Next comes possession. There was no money on him. Mosque of Oman, a man of means, showing possession. The boy with red hair. Next comes measure, standard, rate, value. For example, he charges interest at 9%. Stories like these must be taken at what they are worth. Then cloth is sold by the yard. I am taller than you by 2 inches. It was won by the tower clock. Another one is contrast or concession. For example, after, that means in spite of or notwithstanding. So after every effort, one may fail. For one enemy, he has 100 friends. For, that means in spite of. For all his wealth, he is not content. Then with, that means in spite of. With all his faults, I admire him. Next is inference, motive, source or origin. As, from what I know of him, I hesitate to trust him. The knights were brave from gallantry of spirit. He did it from gratitude. Light emanates from the sun. From labor, health. From health, contentment springs. This is a quotation from Milton. His skill comes from practice. Now note, it will be seen that the same preposition, according to the way in which it is used, would have its place under several heads. How? Let's see. Now let's see this in exercise. Explain the force of the preposition in, she made grand preparations against his coming. So what is the force of the preposition in? Against, and which shows anticipation. It was all through you that we failed. So what is the preposition? Through, and it is showing the cause. He was left for dead on the field. Preposition is for, and the relation is, the force is supposition. All that they did was pity to this. Preposition is to, and it is showing reference. The lifeboat made straight for the sinking ship. What is the preposition here? For, and which shows direction. He married for money. Again, the preposition is for, but here it is not showing direction, it is showing the purpose. Now, the following prepositions require special note. What are they? We can use in or at with the names of cities, towns or villages. Now, where to use in and where to use at, we need to understand that clearly. So, in most cases, in is used. We use in when we are talking about a place as an area. We use at when we see it at as a point. So, in any case, when we talk about a smaller place, we will put at. When we are talking about a bigger place, then we will put in. And if we are talking about only one place, then we will always put in. We stayed in Mumbai for 5 days. Our plane stopped at Mumbai on the way to Iran. Two places are there, Mumbai and Iran. How long have you lived in this village? Another is, we use at to talk about group activities and shops or workplaces. For example, did you see Shobha at the party? There weren't many people at the meeting. I saw him at the baker's. So shops, workplace or in group activities, we use at. Then comes, we use in with the names of streets and at when we give the house number. So he lives in Church Street. He lives at 45 Church Street. We use on when we think of a place as a surface. The dog is lying on the floor. Put this picture on the wall. Till is used of time and to is used of place. For example, he slept till 8 o'clock. He walked to the end of the street. Next is with. With often denotes the instrument and by the agent. For example, he killed 2 birds with 1 shot. He was stabbed by a lunatic with a dagger. Since is used before a noun or phrase denoting some point of time and is preceded by a verb in the perfect tenses. For example, I have eaten nothing since yesterday. He has been ill since Monday last. I have not been smoking since last week. Now next is in before a noun denoting a period of time means at the end of, within means before the end of. Let's see here. I shall return in an hour. I shall return within an hour. Next is beside means at or by the side of, while besides means in addition to. So, beside the ungathered rice he lay. Besides his children, there were present his nephews and nieces. Then besides being fined, he was sentenced to a term of imprisonment. Let's see the exercise and do it. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. The child has been missing since yesterday. The caravan must reach its destination by or before. Both are correct. By sunset or before sunset. The mail train is due at 3 p.m. He traveled 30 kilometers in 2 hours. He rushed into my room. Why into is written here? Because there is a change of place, means from one medium to the another. So he rushed into my room panting for breath. He does not leave his house before 9 o'clock. Now prepositions with forms of transport. We use by with noun when we talk about means of transport. We do not use the or a or an before the noun. Let's see the example carefully. We traveled by train, right? So train is the means of transport, that is why by is written. But we will not put here the or a. We will not say we traveled by the train. We write we traveled by train. We say by bicycle, by car, by taxi, by bus, by train, by boat, by ship, by plane, by air or by sea. We do not use by with the reference when the reference is to a specific bicycle, car or train. How? Let's see. Suresh went there on my bike. Now this is a specific bike, my bike. So here we will not put by. So Suresh went there on my bike. We traveled in Mr. Joshi's car. So Mr. Joshi's car, specific. They came in a taxi. Again, a is written. So that is why in a taxi, specific taxi. I will go on the 7:30 bus. Again, specific 7:30 bus. Next is we use on to mean a specific bicycle, bus, train, ship or plane, and in to mean a specific car, taxi, van, lorry or ambulance. We say on foot, not by foot. This is exceptional. He goes to the office on foot. He walks, that means he walks to the office. So thank you for watching this video. That's all for today. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And yes, do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get the notifications of all my latest videos. So till I bring more videos, bye bye.